All right, for those of you who like the 7.3 diesels, Fords, here's your chance. This is a hard vehicle to find. This is a 1999 Ford F-250 extended cab, long bed, lifted, four-wheel drive in really good condition. Tires are in really good shape, almost brand new. It's got some nice running boards on it. We're going to take a look around this whole vehicle. Runs and drives extremely well, shifts nice. Body is in really good shape. Got the tow package on it. No real serious dents or dings anywhere on this truck. All four tires match. Goes down the road well, obviously. All tires are nice and evenly wearing. It's also got a nice tank in the back. An added tank. And we're going to take a look at the inside of this truck as well in a second. Got some new shocks on it. Again, it is lifted. Take a look at this beautiful truck. Unbelievable. Hard one to find. You definitely don't want to wait if you need a 7.3 diesel and want one that's in really good shape. Take a look at this. All the door panels are nice. Seats are really clean. Take a look in the back. Doesn't look like we had much use in the back seats at all. Carpets are nice. Does have a trailer brake on it. And we're gonna take a look. Also no wear under the armrest, center seat. Does have the CD and cassette player. Four-wheel drive. Come take a look at this truck here at Boulevard Motors, 696 East St. George Boulevard. Or you can give me a call. My name's Richard.